Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover type 2 of declarative sentences. I have already made a video on type 1 as well as on the basic meaning of declarative sentences, and all these videos are under the playlist of sentences in English language, so you can watch all the videos in this sequence in the playlists of the same. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So therefore, type second of declarative sentences is according to the mood or usage. So according to the same, they are divided into four parts. The first one is declarative, positive declarative sentence. Second is negative declarative sentence. Third is declarative question, and the fourth one is declarative request. The first type of a declarative sentence according to type 2 is positive declarative sentence. Positive declarative sentences are affirmative sentences which simply states a fact that is or does happen. In simple words, positive declarative sentences are affirmative sentences, means they affirm a fact and they basically tell that something is like that of something, and it states a fact, it states a truth, and it says that something happened according to the speaker, etc., or the writer. In that case, have a look at this example here. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Next is palm trees are tall. So basically they are simple statements, they are affirmative statements which asserts a fact which happens. The second type of a declarative sentence is negative declarative sentences. Negative declarative sentences states that something cannot or does not happen or is not happening and always contain a negative word to reflect it. They are a statement of something that is not true. So therefore a negative declarative sentences is just opposite to positive or affirmative declarative sentences, because they tell that something is not like that of something. It is such a sentence that tells that something is not so that is considered. So therefore it always contains a negative word like never, not, no, nobody, etc. Have a look at this example here. The sky is not blue, something that's not like that. Similarly, palm trees are not tall. The third type of a declarative sentence is declarative questions. Now, by reading the title declarative question, you must be perplexed that how could a statement be a question, right? So let's understand this. A declarative question is a yes-no question that has the form of declarative sentence but is spoken with rising intonation at the end. So therefore the intonation is rising towards the end to be able to emphasize that it is a question, but the sentence structure is like that of subject and predicate, and there is no helping verb coming in front of the sentence. So we know that an interrogative sentence is used to describe questions, right? But however, some question can include a declarative clause that provides or clarifies information instead of simply asking for new information. So typically, if I say that these statements are question hybrids, these statements are question hybrids which are more common in speech. We use a slightly higher tone of voice near the end of the sentence to indicate that we are asking question rather than providing information, right? So have a look at this beautiful example here. You think I'm kidding you? You think it's a joke to have to walk home on a clear night with an umbrella? You think that's because I'm quirky I don't hurt? You've got it backward. I'm quirky because I'm hurt. So this is a beautiful example where after nearly end of each sentence, the rise of intonation let us know that these sentences are declarative questions. The fourth type of a declarative statement is declarative requests. So, declarative statements which are in the form of request or command. So, declarative statements as request work as request or command in sentences, specifically without saying please or something like that. Okay, they are not imperative, they are declarative requests. Have a look at these set of examples here. Give me $20 for my birthday. So it is a kind of a request, specifically it could be towards a family member, etc. Next is stay off the carpet with those dirty shoes. Now I'm commanding a person, okay, I'm commanding not to do that, right? Don't drive after drinking alcohol. So this is a piece of advice, or it could be a command that way. So that was all about declarative requests. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.